Welcome to the DV Comm Systems channel. Today we are excited to discuss a success story at Liberty Line's transit fiber backbone installation. When Liberty Line's transit needed to modernize their network infrastructure, they turned to DV Comm Systems. They wanted a faster, more secure, and more reliable way to keep their entire bus line connected and on track. We helped Liberty Line's transit implement a state-of-the-art OHM 412-strand Multimode Fiber Optic SMF backbone. This new infrastructure ties all their independent distribution frames, IDFs, to their Main Distribution Frame MDF, creating a robust, high-speed highway for their network traffic. With this fiber optic backbone, their entire cabling network infrastructure is now more robust, secure, and reliable, bringing their systems into the modern age. This advanced network helps keep every bus on time, while tracking the exact location of each vehicle, boosting efficiency and customer satisfaction. DV Comm Systems helps our customers stay profitable by keeping them ahead of today's technology, starting with a solid, future-proof network foundation. Like and subscribe to our channel for more success stories and cutting-edge network solutions. Call DV Comm Systems today at 888-501-5885 or visit our website www.dvcsny.com.